Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about recrystallization. What is recrystallization in the context of materials science? A. Formation of new grains within a deformed material. B. Melting and resolidification of a material, changing the crystal structure of a material. D. Removal of impurities from a material. E. Increasing the dislocation density in a material. The correct answer is A. Formation of new grains within a deformed material. Which of the following is a primary driving force for recrystallization? A. Increased temperature. Decreased temperature. Stored energy from deformation. External magnetic field. E. Gravity. The correct answer is C. Stored energy from deformation. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. What is the typical temperature range for recrystallization to occur? A. Below 0.3 Tm. Melting temperature between 0.3 Tm and 0.5 Tm. C. Between 0.5 Tm and 0.7 Tm. D. Above 0.7 Tm. E. Exactly at Tm. The correct answer is B. Between 0.3 Tm and 0.5 Tm. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.